Good morning. Welcome back to my channel, Amazing Makeover. Today we are going to take you on a little tour of our spring garden that we have put together. So if you're interested in gardening and interested in using a small space that you might have in the backyard to put a little garden together, stay tuned. Good morning. I'm here with my daughter Malia, and we're going to show you a little tour of our garden. I'm excited to show you the plants that we've put together, and I want to see if Malia remembers what they all are because we've been working on this for about a week now. Oh, was that one yours? You did carrots, and what did brothers grow? And the little brothers grew green beans. One is snap peas. Yeah, these are our peas, and I put them on a trellis. Which one is it? Yep. That's our cucumber plant. It's just a little baby right now, huh? Yeah. Cilantro and chives. Yeah. Do you recognize cilantro and chives?
Yeah.
What is that? Do you remember what that is? That's our squash plant. We actually grew that from a seed. So it's a cute little baby sprouting, huh?
Yeah.
So hopefully we'll get quite a bit of squash this summer. We have another little lettuce over here. Where did we get those? Do you remember?
It's Dollar Tree.
That's right.
It's a kind of Dollar Tree.
Yeah. You can get a lot of cool gardening stuff at the Dollar Tree, right? Yeah. What does it say? It says, "Welcome, friend." So we're gonna go out and pick some of our lettuce, but I wanted to show you guys this planter box that my husband made for me. My wonderful husband. I wanted these planter boxes so bad, and he decided he's gonna try to make them. So, I'm showing them the planter box that Daddy made.
This is our planter box, and the glue is drying in there.
Do you remember what we're gonna plant in it?
It was tomato.
Yeah, we're gonna put our tomato plants in this. Okay, so these are actually our tomato plants right here.
Yeah,
We have 4 of them. We have a beefsteak tomato plant and some cherry tomatoes and Roma tomatoes. I have to replant them, so I'll show you. My husband built me a gardening box yesterday, so I'm super excited. Hopefully he'll build me another one. But I'm going to replant these ones. So this isn't their permanent home, but they do look pretty good. They're pretty happy for right now. And last but not least, we have, what do we have here? A lemon tree. Yeah.
And we can make lemonade with it.
That's right, we could make lemonade.
Like my Valentine's Day heart had a face.
Yeah. And it's yellow like a
Lemon and a banana.
As you can see, it's getting a lot of little flower buds now, so we should be getting quite a few lemon buds. That's our little garden. Thank you for joining us today. And if you're ever interested in gardening, I recommend just trying it out. It's a lot of fun. I consider it to be like therapy. We'll see you guys next time. Bye. Bye.
Bye.